So our next discussion will be on Bootstrap Range. So it's a range element. Normally even HTML has got a range element, but Bootstrap in it gives you some kind of better look, okay, for the range element. So when you say range element, we can choose age, or we can choose years, whatever it is. So it's easy to drag and drop. That's called Bootstrap range. So what I'll do, I'll just go to my code. Okay, first what I'll do, I'll just give a label. This is, well, let me call it as date of birth. Date of birth, okay, range. Okay, that's the range I've given. Date of birth range. Then the element name is, okay, of course input element, but type will be range. That's very important. Range. Okay. Then it should belong to a class called form range, so that it gets the full syntax of the full structure of the Bootstrap form range. Then I have min is equal to, so here you can give anything you want. For example, 1982. Okay, max will be 2020. Fine. So now I'll just show you the output now. Right now, look at this. I'll just go here. You can see it. Date of birth range. So this is basically it's called range. I can click anywhere I want. I'm going to extract the value right now. Through coding, I'm going to extract. So what I'll do, I'll just give an ID called DOB. Fine. So we are given type range, then class is called form range. See, if we don't give this class, it'll look pretty ordinary. Look at this. These are things, look at this. It's HTML range, but we want Bootstrap range. Okay, so that is the reason we include this input element as part of a class called form range. So it takes the complete space, form range. Then I given minimum, maximum I given, and I'll give DOB. Fine. Then within JavaScript, I'll write down my JavaScript at the bottom. You see, I'll just come just below it. This doesn't matter. Script. Okay, script is here. I'll just save it here, and I'll say var DOB is equal to document dot get element by ID. Get element by ID. Then this ID is DOB. Okay, DOB. I got the element. Then I'll just say alert DOB dot value. Look at this. Now, see, the moment I see, it's basically this control starts from 1980, goes up to 2020. So I click here. Okay. What I want is, I want to extract this value. So what I'll do, I will have on change is equal to, show method. Within the show method function show, I'll extract this value, Control X, Control V. I'll alert it. Look at this. Yeah. So I think it gave me some idea. Okay. So why it did not give me? I'll just check it. On change, I made a mistake. CHANG. On change, it should call show method. Yeah, I can see it. This is 1993, and this is 2011. I go to beginning, 1980. I go to the end, it's 2020. Look at this. Okay, fine. So now we are alerted. So what we did was, I grabbed that element by ID, that's called DOB. After that, once the DOB value is, I just alerted. But what I want in a text box. So what I'll do, I'll give a label. This called age, and I'll give an input type text. I'll give an ID called age. Name is not required right now. As of now, it's not required. And class, I'll just say form input, so that it gets bootstrap, input form. Okay, look at this. It looks like this. Age. Okay. Okay. It should be form control. It's not form input. It should be form control. Okay. So see, it becomes a full thing. Now I want, as I drag it, now I want that value to appear here in this age. So what I'll do, I'll go to my, instead of alert, I'll remove this alert. I'll just say document dot get element by ID. Okay, then I'll say age age dot value is equal to DOV dot value. Now look at this. As I drag the range of age, you can see that value comes and falls inside the text box. You can see now. You see. I click on it. 1997, 2001, 2006. Okay, look at this. I go to beginning, 1980, 2020. Look at this. So I select any age, it falls and comes here. Okay. So this is how you use an input range to get the value which you have defined as min and max. And using JavaScript, you can extract that value, put it inside any of your fields. Okay. Now look at this. You got age. Okay. In the same way, I want I can have a step actually. Step will be every 2. Okay. So it's 1980, 1982 like that. So it will go by step of 2. By 2. So look at this. This is 1980. 82, you won't get 81. So look at this. 82, 84, 86, 88. Okay, look at this. Even if I drag it now close to that, I'll get 92, 94, 96. Look at this. It goes in step of 2. So you won't get 91 and all, because of it, but I can type it. If you want, you can type it. That's it. Okay, because the range has got a step of 2. So it starts at 1980, 82, 84, 86 like that it goes. Okay, fine. So now this is how you have a range for date of birth. So for example, I want to have a range control, and which should be taken to text field. We can take it to any other field also for that matter. Okay, for example, I will do one more range. Okay, I'll just copy this. Okay, fine. So this will be again type range and form range, and min will be, for example, let's see, I want people within the age group of 18 to 65. 65. Okay, 18. So sorry, max should be 65. ID will be age. ID will be age. Okay, in fact, this is called date of birth actually, year of birth. So this I call it as placeholder. I don't need placeholder. I'll make it read only. And of course, placeholder I'll make it as year of birth. Year of birth. Okay, here I want age. So age I don't want to give step. I'll give one by one. Okay, fine. So here also what happens is I give an ID of age. This I given I'll make it as age text. Let me year text. It should be year text actually. Year text. Year text. Okay, and then you will have the form range, age, and this will be a text. It's called age text. Age text. Okay. So when I change it now, what happens? That this will be an age. Document dot get element by ID, and let me call as age. Age. Okay, fine. Look at this. So what I'll do, I'll just take date of birth. Date of birth value is taken to year text. Year text is nothing but other text. Then age I want to be taken to, look at this, age text. Age text, this will be age dot value. Okay, so you see this will be age text. Yeah, fine. And I can make it read only. Placeholder will be age. Age. Okay. I think that should go. That should do. On change, I given a on change show. Okay, let us see what happens. 96. Age will be 30. So look at this. Age changes from, look at this. Age changes from 19 to 65. Year starts from 1980 to 1920. Fine. So I can see here. Fine. So, but now what they are disparate. Okay, now the text field is something age is something different, and year of birth is different. What we can do, we can do some calculations. I'll just do the here. I don't want the age right now. Just comment it out. Okay, age I don't want. Okay, this age dot text value will be calculated based on the year. So what I'll do. So this value now, here text will have value. Let me just type the alert. Type of it's here text. I think it should be string. Let us see. It's an object. Okay, it's an object. No problem. So what I'll do now, I'll do one thing. Variable today is equal to new date of today's date. Okay, then I just say result is equal to let result is equal to today. I'll get the year of today, full year. Okay, and then I add a subtract. So I just say RES is equal to RES minus I'll have this date of birth, DOB value. So I'll say DOB dot value. Okay, alert RES. Let us see what happens. 25, exactly 9. See, so because the year was something different, 2014, exactly. So look at, we got it. So what I did was, you see, I don't want this actually. See, okay. Now I can remove this. Remove this age range. From the year, I'll calculate the age. Okay, that is how we do something better, something unique. Fine. So you see, I get the age, year of birth here. Okay. See, I remove that alert. Where is that alert? I'll remove that alert. Okay, I'll set it in the age. Look at this. I'll explain clearly. I'll explain clearly. See, look at this. 1996, age is 27. Okay, I think from today, yes, correct. 27. I'll just say 2012, age is 11. Okay, I'll just say 2004, age is 19. Okay. Yeah, it's step I given. I'll make it step. I'll remove the step 2 into that, so that everything we get. Step by 1, by default it is 1. Okay, so you see 97. I can use right arrow also. I can use right arrow also. 98, 99, 24. You can see age reduces. See, 2003 will be 20, 6 will be 17. Look at this. Fine. As age, okay, year increases, age reduces. So you can see it. Fine. Okay. So what I have done is first, okay, from this control now. From this control, we extracted age, year, sorry, year. Okay, year. And then that's called DOB, date of birth. And we set it inside the year text. So you see, it get displayed here. It get displayed here. Okay. Then what we did, I took the current system date, new date, date object, JavaScript object that is stored in today. Then today.get full year will give you right now, when I'm running this demo, it's 2023. So result that will be RES will be 2023. Then 2023 minus value which we entered. See what we entered. See, look, sorry, look at this. 1985. 1985. Okay, fine. So 1985, 2023 minus 1985 will get 8. So that is set as value for age.text. So when you say age.text, it comes here. Look at this. It's called age.text. So the difference, between 2023 and what we entered 1985 comes as age. So you can just see here. Look at this. You can see I increase, age reduces. Look at this. Age 3. So maximum 2020 we given. Look at this. Fine. Okay. I hope this was a good exercise so that we can practice. We'll meet in the next exercise. Thank you.